Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. So for this video I decided to show you the behind the scenes of a video that I shot last year with a friend of mine. Her name is Eleanor. All of her social media details will be in the description box below, so please go follow her and check her out. In this video we had one location, which was Old Street. We shot a little bit close to Shoreditch as well, but I used my Sony A6000. I didn't use a gimbal. Everything you see is shot handheld. In this shot here, we were just having a few different takes of her looking into the camera, which was absolutely funny. We did 2 takes. Here's take number 2. Yeah, it's just super funny. We then proceeded to walk to another location, and I asked her to do some spins in the camera. It was absolutely fun to film. This is the first video that I ever filmed on my camera, professionally anyways, for fun of course. In this shot here, we decided to try and change the scenery. There was a nice bench with some greenery in front of a pub or a club, I believe. So we sat down. This is mid-conversation, so she's actually talking. But there's a few more clips of her just messing around with her glasses. I was directing her behind the camera, just telling her to play with the glasses, play with the flower, the leaves, so we can get different types of looks. Here are some more shots of her playing with leaves, smiling into the camera, me panning in and out. I used one camera lens to shoot this entire scene because I didn't want to change the composition of the shots. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube account. I'm super close to having 100 subscribers. My goal for the end of the year is to have 1,000 subscribers, so please go to the description box below, subscribe to my YouTube account. All my social media will be there as well, so have a good look. In this scene here, I am showing my model how I want her to move in front of the camera. I do this technique quite a lot. It just helps to showcase what I want. And this is me about to walk into a bicycle. Very nice. Some more shots of Eleanor sitting on the bench, looking all pretty. Here are some more shots of Eleanor sitting down, mid-conversation. In this shot, I try to incorporate some more movement, trying to get her to walk up and down, behind, back and forth. Here is some information about the video you're about to watch. I used my Sony A6000, my 28 to 70mm lens, and everything was color graded and handheld. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a comment down below. And that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube account. Again, my goal is to reach 100 subscribers pretty soon. Let me know what you want to see next. Comment down below. Please share, please like. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.